55 upon 2.27, 9.06 upon 2.27 and 2.27 upon 2.27. So what will be the answer? Then you just divide 4.55 upon 2.27. What will be the value? What will be the value? It will be 3.99. 2.99. We just divide the value. I am just seeing the value of that. It is okay 2.0. The value is 2.0. Okay, 4 by 2 means 2, and 54 by 27 means it is 2 point something. 2 point something. Let's see what is the dividation. It is 2.0, 3.2.0. It is 2.2 months means it is 2.0. Here is the 3.99 and here is the 1. Clear? So simple whole number will what? It is 2, it is 4 and it is 1. So now it is clear that in empirical formula carbon is 2, hydrogen is 4 and oxygen is 1. So empirical formula equal to carbon 2 means C2, hydrogen 4 means H4 and oxygen is 1 O1. This is the empirical formula. Now we will find out the empirical mass. Empirical mass. Empirical mass will be 2 carbon means 2 into 12. 4 hydrogen means 4 into 1. 1 oxygen means 1 into 16. So 12 2s are 24 plus 4 plus 16, then it is 44. So this is the empirical mass. Now we will find out the integral number. So integral number equal to molecular mass upon empirical mass. Molecular mass you are having 88 grams into mole inverse and empirical mass is 44 gram into mole inverse. So integral number will be 2. Clear? Now we will find out the molecular formula. How can we find out the molecular formula? Then molecule formula equal to integral number into empirical formula. Integral number is 2 and empirical formula is what? C2 H4O. So molecular formula will be 2 2s are 4 means it is C4. I am writing over here. It is C4, then H8, then O2. This is the molecule formula of given compound. How can we decide is it correct or incorrect? If you just put the value of this all and you are having the molecular mass, then this molecule formula is correct. If you are not getting given molecular mass, then molecule formula is incorrect. So now we will find out the molecule formula, molecular mass. Is it correct? Let's see. So molecule formula is what? We have found the molecule formula. It is C4H8O2. Then we will find out the molecular mass. C4 means 4 into 12 plus 8 into 1 plus 2 into 16. So it is 48 plus 8 plus 32. Then what will be the answer? What will be the answer? 2, you just 48, 08 and 32. 8, 16 plus 2, 18. Here is 1, here is 5, 3, 8. Then we have found the 88 molecular mass. So you are given 88 molecular mass. We have already written molecular mass is 88 gram to mole inverse, and we have found the molecular formula, and with the help of molecular formula we have found the molecular mass, which is given molecular mass. These are the method to find out all the empirical formula, molecular formula, and you can prove that it is true molecular formula which you have found. So you have to follow the table. You are given name of element, you are given percentage of element, you know the mass of element, then you have to find out the atomic ratio, then the ratio of simple whole number, and then simple whole number. You are given carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, you are given percentage of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, you already know the atomic mass of an element. Then you have to divide the percentage by atomic mass, percentage by atomic mass, percentage by atomic mass. You will find out 3 different value. You have to choose the simple smallest value. Smallest value will be divided by all 3 value. You will get the another ratio of simple whole number, and then you have to choose the whole number, that will be 2, 4 and 1. So it proves that carbon is 2, hydrogen is 4 and oxygen is 1. That is the empirical formula. With the help of empirical formula you will find the empirical mass. With the help of empirical mass and given molecular mass you will find out the integral number. Integral number will be divided to empirical formula, that will be molecular formula. Molecular formula is correct or incorrect, you can check it. You put the value of atomic mass of molecule formula and will get original molecular mass. If both are the same, then it is correct. So this is very most interesting and important topic that you have studied. Kindly follow the textbook. In your textbook you are given point value. I have not taken point value. It is not necessary to take point value. You can take the round value, that can be give you the perfect answer. So you have to do homework of your textbook sum, and if there is exercise also you have to follow the exercise sum and send me homework 2 times by today evening. Thank you very much.